I'm D'Amico with Slay Edge Media, and this is the OBX Racing Sports Downpipe for the Audi A3 8V 2.0 Turbo. This downpipe is available on eBay or wherever store you want to get it from, OBX. I'm talking about buying parts off of eBay. I've already talked about the turbo that I bought, the IS38, and eBay parts in general. So I just want to take the parts out of the packaging to show you what they look like, to see if OBX Racing has good products. All right, so I'm just gonna take the stuff out of the packaging. You know, we'll look at the connections. You know, no, it's actually pretty shiny, pretty clean. I mean, it looks like pretty solid beads going around. Like as far as the welds, I don't see no holes going in there, no pop outs. I mean, it looks like it's all meshed together pretty well. Doesn't look like it's hosh-posh together. I mean, OBX is not the most expensive brand, but it's not the cheapest brand either. I mean, it's actually branded. OBX is actually branded, you know, OBX Racing. Now, I'll just let you look at it yourself, and you can see. So this is a high flow downpipe. Some of you probably can already know. Maybe you don't know. This is the mount right here. You know, it's like a bracket mount right here. Pretty good. I love it when some of the cheaper kind of companies try to show you a little effort, you know? When they do like little cutouts like this with their brand, you know, they're trying to make a name for themselves, you know? Because OBX Racing Sports isn't the cheapest brand, but it's not the most expensive either, you know, like Borla. But it's the high flow. It's the high flow downpipe for sure. You know, you got your O2 sensor. If you look at it, I mean, the welds are pretty clean. They're not swappily. I mean, I've done some welding in the past, and my welding, it doesn't look like this. It's a good job, guys. I think they did a pretty decent job for this downpipe. It's available on eBay. Simple search. My Audi may be different from yours, but I got a 2015 2.0 Audi A3 Quattro 8V, third generation. I don't know how many more details you need, but comes with this and comes with these other attachments as well. Looks like everything comes, man. And basically, I really wanted to just show you guys the build quality of it. You know, as far as buying eBay parts, save money. I mean, sometimes you can buy these straight from places like Jegs and Summit. But the thing with those places, they add like a little extra tax on top of it. I've used eBay as a source for buying car parts, performance parts for years. Stay tuned if you want to see the install of this parts, install this, downpipe. I'm doing all that. Of course, at some point I gotta have an intercooler, right? So, and you already know where I'm gonna be buying these parts from. So stay tuned. For more eBay purchases, researched eBay purchases. You don't just buy so randomly on there. Make sure you make your decision thoroughly after thorough investigation, comparison, prices, reviews. You know, do your homework. So subscribe to Slay Edge Media. I got a health and fitness channel as well. If you want any health and fitness tips, gut slimming, burn fat, use fat for energy with fasting. Hopefully this is a good video for you. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.